It was another day of gains on Wall Street as sales of existing homes topped forecasts and technology stocks rose on the earnings outlook for Jabil Circuits. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, stocks gaining for a third day. In fact, the S&P closing at its highest level in 15 months. And the big report was home sales topping forecast. KB Home leading the advance in the home builders index. Of course, this was after the National Association of Realtors saying purchases of existing homes climbing 7.4%, and then that was the highest in more than 2 years. And the home sales report did signal that the housing market is gaining strength along here with the broader economy. Some traders say we do have pent-up demand because not only that home sales report, but also today's third quarter GDP growth are signals that the recovery is firmly in place. And Jabil Circuit rallying 14% to a 16-month high. The stock also the biggest gainer in the S&P 500. The company forecast a profit of 20 to 32 cents, and that exceeded the 19-cent estimate of analysts surveyed by Bloomberg. And speaking of those semiconductors, one of the things that we did see, Micron reporting earnings after the close of trading. The stock trading higher here in the extended session. This, of course, is the biggest U.S. producer of computer memory chips. They reported their first profit in more than 2 years after memory prices rebounded. The company saying that factory closures, bankruptcy, and improving personal computer demand helped the industry pull out of a chip glut and to help increase those prices. And as we get close to the holidays, lots of people are traveling on airplanes, and Delta Airlines, along with UAL Corp, rising at least to an 11-month high. This was after a UBS analyst saying revenue for each passenger flown may increase 1.5% in January and 4.5% in February, even without further strengthening in demand. And this is also another sign, they say, that travel demand is reviving. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, now back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun reporting.